If you have been looking for a way to create top-notch, very catchy thumbnails and you don't know how to go about it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be revealing to you an AI that you can actually use to create top-notch thumbnail for your videos. Alright. We all know that thumbnail plays a very vital role in getting your videos massive views or getting your videos to a wider audience, because the more good your thumbnail is, the more people tend to click to watch your video, because the thumbnail that they see, that's what will catch their attention to watch that particular video that you will be sharing. Do you understand? In this place I'm going to be sharing with you, you are going to be creating thumbnail in 5 seconds. Whatever that you want to add in that thumbnail, this place will be able to add it up for you. All you need to do is just to follow the steps I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and you are good to go. Do you understand? So without wasting your precious time, let me go and teach you how to go about everything. Don't miss any part of this video, because every single step in this video is very, very important. Do you understand? So let's go there. Don't forget to like and also drop your comments on the comment section. All right, thank you. So all you need to do is to come to your Google and type Gemini AI. All right, I'm going to click on this one. Once it appears like this, you go ahead and click on this Google Gemini AI. So once it appears like this, you go ahead and click on this plus button here, this plus sign here. Go ahead and click on this plus sign here, this plus sign showing here. Once you click on it, you are going to see upload files, add from drive. All right, so you go ahead and click on upload files. All right, once you click on upload file, they are going to take you to a place like this where you see your recorder, photo, camera, and the rest of the things. Go ahead and click on where it will lead you to your gallery. So once it gets to your gallery, you go ahead and click on gallery again. So once you click on the gallery, go ahead and take any thumbnail that you have created, or take a screenshot of anybody's thumbnail that you've seen that you like, that is similar to the thumbnail that you want to create. All right, hope you understand what I'm talking about here. So you go ahead and click on it, and then you click on done. So the thumbnail has appeared here. So now once the thumbnail appear, all you need to do is to tell the thumbnail to do anything at all that you would want the thumbnail to be. Do you understand? For example, now I'm going to type remove the lady's image. You go ahead and click on search. You allow it to generate. You will see they will write just a sec. You allow it to generate. They say generating image. So once it's done generating, look at it. They have removed the image for me. I'm just using this thumbnail that I've created as an example. Do you understand? Like I've said before, you can actually screenshot somebody's thumbnail that is similar to what you want to use, then come to this Gemini AI and change it to your own taste. Do you understand? Now I'm going to be asking this Gemini AI to change the background, and you will see what it's going to do for me. So I'm going to come down here and see, click this ask Gemini. Then I'm going to tell him to remove the background. Please remove the background and put red. I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Do you see it has already changed the background to red? Do you understand? I'm still going to tell Gemini to make the background blurry. The background blurry. How did they spell that blurry, Seth? I hope I'm correct. I'm going to go ahead and send it. Do you see it? So somehow the background is like blurry. Do you understand? I hope the English is correct. So do you see? So whenever you tell the Gemini AI to create or to input on that particular thumbnail, it's going to do it for you. Do you understand? Now, if I want to change this now, okay, let me just say, I'm going to tell him to change the background again. Please change the background for black. All right, yeah, change it to black again. All right, so now I'm going to ask him to put YouTube logo. Please add YouTube logo beside No, okay, so I've said please add YouTube logo beside the YouTube partner program image. YouTube partner program image. I'm going to go ahead and click on send. It's generating already. So do you see it? Do you see it? They have added it here. I said beside now. Oh, I wanted them to put it at the right side of the. Is it beside? Anyways, they've already added it here. Do you understand? You can actually take it to InShots to put it in any space that you want. Yeah. So next thing what I'm saying is that you can ask this Gemini AI to put any kind of logo or any kind of thing that you want. Do you understand? Let me just add. Say please add TikTok logo. TikTok logo at the left corner. At the left corner of the screen. Is it right or left of the screen of the image? I mean, let me say right corner. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click on send. Once you click on send, you allow it to generate. So do you see the TikTok logo has appeared? So you can add any rich here, whatever that you want to add to make the thumbnail so catchy for people to watch. Like whatever that you want to add at all. Do you understand? You can make the background blurry. You can do anything that you want to do, and then that your thumbnail will be so catchy for people to catch the attention of people to click that your thumbnail and watch your video. Do you understand? You can actually change the write up as well. Let me just say please change the monetization write up to let me just say creative. Go ahead and click on send. So do you see that, guys? So it has changed it to creative. Do you understand? You can actually change this partnership program to any other thing that you want as well. All you need to do is to type whatever that you want, some of it, and it will just give you whatever that you want. Do you understand? So this is how to create a good and high catchy logo using your Gemini AI, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video. Also comment and drop your opinion at the comment section, and share this video to your loved ones so that they too can know how to create good eye catchy thumbnails for their videos and channels. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.